Bosch 120 injector disassembly essentials sharing. First, check your ball and tee. Focus on whether your ball is worn. If there is wear, replace it directly. Next, check the two end faces of our buffer spring. Take out the armature core and carefully check the wear points on it. Relevant wear points will directly affect the status value of our fuel injector. Take out the solenoid valve spring and spring pad. Finally, there is a residual breath on this cross-section. Its size is required to be between 35–55 microns. However, the general recommendation is between 48–52. That's it first. Continue in the next period. Think it's good? You can follow me.